We were right direction 47, wrong track 38. So people are feeling, fairly good about North Carolina. We had a follow-up question about, will you be better off next year than you were this year? And again, North Carolinians are optimistic. I would compare that to, we asked a question this time, is the nation, the United States, going in the right direction or on the wrong track? And that was 63% on the wrong track. So there is a real difference between what people see on a national level and on a state level. And I think that primarily that is because of the war. If you ask the question, should the General Assembly eliminate the temporary taxes that they imposed in 2001, it's overwhelmingly they should be let to expire. 75% think the temporary taxes should go away. But if you ask them, what do you think the legislature is going to do? They think they're going to keep the temporary taxes. They think they're going to add some other taxes onto it, and only 10% can see any possibility of a tax cut. So while they think they should cut them, they don't believe they're going to do it.